Mild curries are great to introduce new flavors to our little ones. Just keep the spices mild and then the new ingredients separate on the plate. Let me show you how. Don't add all the curry paste. Leave a few snow peas and peppers aside. And now let me show you how to plate this. You can make your life easier by getting a divider plate, but a normal plate will do absolutely fine. Rice separate. Spoon of chicken, no sauce. Fresh cut vegetables separate. Sauce in a small bowl.